Alright guys, welcome back. Well, today I've got the Xinlehong 9130. I'm going to do a quick speed run to see how fast this little truck can go. It's only got a little 500 milliamp hour 2 cell, so 7.4 volt. So we'll see how it goes. I've got the GPS all zeroed out. All I've got to do is turn it on. Lights are on. Turn the transmitter on. And we'll go for a quick run up and down this road. See what this little guy can do. Okay, got in high speed. Pretty quick for its size. Not too bad for such a small truck. This is in the high speed rate. Very quiet. Alright, let's bring it back. Really good brakes on it. Well, that's not too bad at all. 26 k's an hour on the spot. So 26.0 k's. I'll see, take my hat cam off, just so you can see that. 26 k's out the box, that's not too bad at all. I think the box set around 32 k's an hour, so it's not that far off. So there you go, not bad at all. I think with a few modifications, especially battery wise, this might be able to handle a 3S. I might try that later on down the track, and if I can even up the battery discharge, it would go a bit quicker. So that's not too bad actually, 26 k's an hour for such a small little truck. So anyway guys, I just thought I'd do a quick test on this one. I said I was going to do it in previous videos, so there you go. 26 k's out the box, not too bad for such a tiny little truck. So thanks for watching, all the best for the new year. Please like and subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now. Cool little truck. Alright, see you later guys.